Sharafiyah, and I'm gonna go out for coffee, so I'll tag all of you along with me as well. So time to go. If you are watching this from Riyadh, have you heard of Sharafiyah, this Sharafiyah district? By the way, I'm going to, that's a big bump over here, but the car maneuvered very smoothly. So I was asking, did you know about Sharafiyah before here in Riyadh? Because I have met a few people from Riyadh who actually didn't know about Sharafiyah. But what can we do? No worries. So the AC was also high, so there was a lot of noise from the AC as well. I lowered it to have less sound coming from there. Also in the comments, let me know if this POV is better, the one where you see the roads and the city, or like the one where I drive. Which one do you think is better to watch? Which one gives a more immersive view? I'll be open to your comments and suggestions. Okay, so the drive isn't that actually long. In a couple of minutes we'll be at the Gloria Jeans cafe. Here we go. There's some construction going on at the left. Can we go before the cars coming from there? Yes, we can. They are still afar, and now they caught up with us. Okay, this car wants to turn there. It's okay. Here we are at Gloria Jeans in Sharafiyah. We don't have a parking over there, so I'll park somewhere around here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, there's one parking over here, but I'll have to do a reverse parking. But well, I think let's see, is this space enough or not? Yeah, it is enough. Yeah, here we go. So I'll meet you inside the coffee shop.